Okay, I'm going to redo this video. This is on my long range shooting target camera. There's my camera box, my screen box, I'm going to give you a build list of what I bought. So the most important thing is this piece. This is your transmitter receiver. It says it'll do 2 km, which I did a search right here. 2 km to yards 2,187. So more parts I've bought for this kit. If you want to do it the same way, it's this antenna. Basically it just helps. It's a higher performing antenna, high gain, just improve your reliability of your transmission over long range. So then let's go here. A couple other things that I purchased for this kit is, find everything. Is here. Here's the camera I bought right here. Just a little mini camera. It has a stand. It's plug and play into that transmitter receiver I showed you. Next thing is this antenna. This is the antenna I'm using on my transmitter box, or my receiver box. This is the one with the screen on it. Then this is my screen I bought. There's also this you can buy. Basically this piece you can plug into your camera, whatever you're using, the camera receiver, and it'll convert to HDMI to be able to plug in something that uses HDMI, or whether it's your iPad, phone, whatever you're using. It's a little expensive. I don't recommend it. I bought it. Wasn't a huge fan of it, but figure I'll show it to you. Then this does require a 12-volt power source. The one I bought for this setup is here. 12-volt. It's for ice fishing. You need 2 of them. So now let's go into my actual boxes. Here's the screen box. Inside we have the receiver over here, and my cable that come off my camera. You have a couple RCA cables, then you have power and ground cable, and everything plugs in easy. I mean, as long as you know red and black, you can make this kit. I use just an ammo can for this one. I did wire in alligator clips, so they just clip on really easy to turn power on. Drill hole. You have to drill holes in your box to be able to run your wires and your antennas. And then this comes with a 2-sided adhesive. You can use the double or I just adhesive it to the top of my box. This screen does come with multiple outputs, or inputs I should say, so you can run multiple cameras out there and switch between the channels. So it'll only do 2, so you can have 2 cameras out at once. That means you will have to have multiple receivers and transmitters and run on different channels. This transmitter receiver runs on a channel base. You've seen in there the number 18 in there. That's the channel I'm running. And you have to set that up for your receiver as well. So here's my camera box. Right here. Little tiny camera here, not very big compared to a finger. My antenna I was talking about. And then here's the transmitter. Run channel 18 as well. Easy to switch back and forth. There is some that are switches that run a little bit less money, but I wanted something that I could see exactly what it's doing. This is the same type of thing. Plug and play. You just plug into your camera and run your power. I did do alligator clips on this one as well. This is a bullet box that didn't work that I hacked up to make work for this camera setup. I have used this out to 400 yards. That's the furthest I've went with it. But I mean, this camera does pivot on this little joint. So you can point it up. I mean, you could do the ceiling or the sky, whatever. You could set this up as a spy camera if you really want. You could make one of these to watch a baby in a crib. Yeah, whatever you want to use it for. I made it to work on shooting. So if you like this video, like it, share it, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.